Thank you for choosing the Inlight lighted medicine cabinet. In this video, we will show you how to install the product step by step. For smooth installation, please read the instructions and make sure all tools are ready before you begin. Turn power off at the fuse box and turn the wall switch off. First, measure the medicine cabinet bottom on the wall and mark it. It should be at least 3 inches away from the faucet. Use the level to draw a horizontal line. This will help you locate the medicine cabinet bottom later. Align the bottom of the mounting template with the horizontal line. Mark all 4 holes on the template and then remove it. Before installing the mounting bracket, we recommend drilling pilot holes on the 4 marked spots. This will make driving the screws into the wall easier. Align the holes on the bracket with the pilot holes and hold the bracket in place. Drive in the screws. Make sure they all sit firmly inside the wall so that the bracket will hold the full weight of the medicine cabinet. Now let's connect the wires. Pull the power supply wires from the junction box. Strip 3/8 of an inch of bare wire. Place 2 wires of the same color together, black to black, white to white, green to copper. Twist the wire nut clockwise to secure the wires. If you're not sure the wire nut is completely secured, pull on it a bit to ensure there's no loose connection. Then, tuck all the wires back inside the junction box. Now, lift the medicine cabinet slightly higher than the mounting bracket, push it against the wall, and slide it down. Make sure the back plate slides into the bracket. Next, insert the slotted pins into the holes on both sides of the medicine cabinet. Choose which slots to insert based on your desired distance between the glass shelves. Then, place the glass shelves. Align the hinge arm on the door with the mounting plate inside the cabinet. Press to snap it in. Plug the cable connector on the door into the adapter slot. Repeat step with the other cabinet door. Turn the power at the fuse box back on. Turn on the wall switch. Press the button and hold to dim the light. Remove your hand when it reaches your desired dim level. The lighted medicine cabinet is now ready to use. Thank you for watching.